My loves, welcome back to another video where I will walk you through on how to make this simple but cute flay skirt. If this is the kind of video you would like to see, do well to watch to the end. Like, comment, and share. And do not forget to subscribe, okay? Now, let's get to class. So, for this skirt, I'm going to be making use of 2 yards, okay? So, first thing I did was to open up my material, and then holding one tip of my material, I had to fold it into a triangular shape like that. So once that is done, make sure you arrange your material very well. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is to get the circumference of my waist, which is my waist measurement. So holding the tip of that material like so, I had to mark out at 13 inches. Okay, now after marking that out, I went ahead to connect the dots together, right? And now the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure that it is up to my waist circumference. Now what I did is my waist circumference divided by 4, and then I added extra 1 inch for sewing allowance. That's all I did. And now holding it down at my waist circumference, I'm going to mark out my full length, which is 21 inches. Okay, and now I'm just going to go. You see the way I'm marking that. For the first one, our tape was just at the point, but for this one, the tape moves as you go. Okay, just watch closely and bear that in mind so you do not make any mistake in getting a good flay skirt for yourself. Now that that is done, go ahead and cut out what you've marked. Okay, and now the next thing I'm going to do to get the back is to fold my material the same way I did it the first time, and then but this time around I'll be leaving some 1 inch for my zipper allowance. You see that right there? That is my zipper allowance. Now go ahead and cut out the back part. If you've watched to this end and you've not subscribed, my darling, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share, and become a part of this wonderful family. And trust me, you will have no regrets at all. Okay, now that that is done, go ahead and notch out your zip allowance area, and then slit open your the back part of your skirt. Okay, now set that aside and let's mark the band, the waistband. Now for the waistband, divide your measurement by 2. Now my waist measurement is 35 inches. Divided it by 2, it is 17 and a half, but I'm marking this at 18 and a half inches. Reason is because that 1 inch allowance there is going to be my zipper allowance. Okay, now I want I to mark that at 5 inches, which is the width of my waistband. So when folded, it will be giving us 2.5. Before you're done sewing it, it will be giving you you'll be having 2 inch remaining. Okay, and now just go ahead and cut that out like you see me do right now. Hope you're understanding me. If you have any questions, please do want to drop it in the comment section, and I will gladly attend to all of your questions. Thank you. Now this is the pocket area. Let me show you guys how I cut my inner pocket. So I just folded the material like that, and then I'm cutting both pockets at the same time. Mark it at 7 inches. Place your hand like you see me do mine right now, and mark that out, leaving some free allowances at the end of it. Just go ahead and cut it out, and then you have your inner pocket ready. Remember that upper part, this part I'm sitting right now, is marked at 7 inches. Okay, now let's get to sewing. Now for my sewing, I have to start by the back side of this skirt, and from my zipper allowance, I'm going to mark out where my zip is going to be, and then from that point I'm going to sew all the way down. Now that that is done, I want to open up the skirt, and now that is the zipper allowance right there. Now from the tip or from the waist area, I'm just going to mark down at 1.5 inches. That 1.5 inch that I marked there is where I'll be attaching my pocket from. Okay, hope you're understanding me. Just mark out 1.5 from your waist area down, and then attach your pocket from there. Okay, so this is my pocket. I'm going to just pin it down right there, and then do the same thing for the other side, and also for the front side as well. Okay, now that that is done, just go ahead and join your skirt like you see me do right now, using your waist circumference. Just sew it from the pocket and downwards. Now if that is done, this is what you'll be having. If it's not looking like this, you did not get it. Okay, and now The next thing I'm going to do is to work on my waistband, which is just adding my gum stay to my waistband to give it a firm grip. All right, and now that that is done, just go ahead and hold your waistband at the center part of it, and then pin it to the center front and sew all the way to the back. Okay, when that is done, you'll be having a cute walk like this, right? Now next thing I'm going to do is to attach my zip, and after that is done, just go ahead and fold the down part of your skirt like this, and voila, that is done. That is done. Very simple to make and also looking very cute. You can rock this anyhow you want to, and this is the final outlook. Okay, if you've watched to the end, do want to subscribe, like, comment, and share if you've not. And until next time, stay creative, my darling.